Welcome to Rishi Yoga. We are going to continue session 2, lockdown weight loss yoga. For the weight loss, we have to do the daily different asanas. Otherwise, it's not giving the proper weight loss. And also, simultaneously, you have to do the food diet also, at least 30% food affecting, and also remaining 70% how you are doing the asanas and the style of yoga. It will affect on your weight. If you want to faster weight loss, you have to do the different asanas flow. You have to plan. I'm going to show here is a different asanas. If you are following video, along with the video, if you are doing, you will get effective result. Please follow the videos. Without wasting much time, we'll go to start the session. Here, first sitting Sukhasana, and keep your hands in Dhyana Mudra. Close your eyes. 5 seconds or 10 seconds. Focus on your breath. Do the slow breath also. It will help you to get interest to do yoga, and also it will give you the peace of mind, positive thinking. Take a deep inhale. Exhale. Do it 5 rounds. Breathe. Now slowly open your eyes. And also here you need to plan session. First do the warm-ups, next Surya Namaskaras, next what I am showing the flow of asanas. Now follow this. For the Surya Namaskaras, I already shared a number of videos in our channel. If you want, I will drop a link in description box. Check that one. And also warm-ups also, I will share you the link in description box down. Please check it and follow the video of the warm-ups, and after start this asanas along with the warm-ups. See here, first we have to do related asana warm-up also. That will give you the more effective. You can do asana, and also without catches cramps you can do the asana. First do the butterfly. Knee up and down 5 times. Or 10 times. Depends your body is a flexible body or rigid body. You have to follow the number of movements. If your body is a rigid body, do at least 20 or 30 times this butterfly. If your body is already flexible body, just 5 times it's enough for your body. Next asana is a sit on your heel. Palm should be on floor. Stretch your leg. Be in position. Face up, back straight. Next leg change. At least 20 to 30 seconds you have to be in asana. Relax. And also repeat same asana 3 sets or 5 sets. Relax. While stretching leg, inhale. Being in asana, do the normal breath. Being in asana, you have to stretch body also. Leg change. Relax. Next is which side you are folding leg, that side you have to stretch, along with other hand should be towards and head stretch. Be in position, do the slow breath, focus straight. This is a balancing asana also. If you are focusing straight only, you will get balanced. Same asana, other side. See, first asana is the second asana, little bit difference is there. Please watch proper and after start the asana practice. Relax. Same asana, I already told you. Each asana, do it 3 sets or 5 sets. Relax. And who are suffering knee pain, little bit change if you are doing, you are not getting knee pain also. Next asana is a back stretch. Be in position 10 to 20 seconds. Relax. Who are suffering back pain, they self lay down and come up as much as possible height. Who are suffering neck pain, don't do this asana. Please avoid this asana. Relax. Keep up. Toe stretch down, do the slow breathe. Relax. Next asana is a stomach lay down, do the Dhanurasana. Be in position 20 seconds, do the slow breathe. Relax. Same asana once again. Each and every asana we have to repeat 3 times or 5 times. While being in position also do slow breathe. It will help you to get the body relaxation and also muscle stretch. Next asana is a folding Bhujangasana. Inhale up. You can reduce your back problems also by doing these asanas, and also weight loss you will get it. Next asana, Plavanasana. Inhale. We are going to do is a Ardha Plavanasana, that's why lower body rise. Head down, legs up. Relax. Next, upper body. Legs down, upper body rise up along with hands. Relax. Each asana repeat 3 or 5 times. Next asana is a Garudasana, side to side swing. We are going to see now. Inhale up, side to side swing. Do it this one 20 times at least. Relax. Next, the same one, do the front back. Inhale, come up to the proper asana. Next, start the movement. Relax. Inhale, come up. Next asana, Sashankasana. Sit on your heel proper. Upper body stretch towards arm thighs, hands and forehead resting on floor. Be in position 20 or 30 seconds. Next is slowly coming to the Vajrasana. Next to the Kapalabhati. After the weight loss asanas practice, if we are doing Kapalabhati, it will help your tummy reduction and also tightening tummy. If you are feeling your tummy is heavy bloating, it will reduce the problem. Sit straight, palm should be resting on knee. Do the Kapalabhati. Relax. This Kapalabhati also plan at least 2 sets or 3 sets. Who are basic practitioners, do it 1 set first. Every day, daily, when you are practicing, increase the 1 by 1 set. Who are long practitioners, do at least 2 sets, 1 set 50, 1 set 50, or do the 3 sets at a time, 50, 50, 50, 150 times. But don't do continue 150, that is not working anything. You have to gap in between. 10 seconds, relax again. Palm should be in Dhyana Mudra. Try to catch your breath. Focus on your body. If you are making breathe slow, you will get full body relaxation and also you will get the peace of mind. While opening eyes, first release your mudra, tuck your hands, the heat should be given on your eyes and face. While opening eyes, look on your palm. See, these asanas not only giving you weight loss, each and every asana we have specific importance to give the healthy lifestyle, and also you will get face glow, young look, aging controlling also. But when we are getting all the benefits, when we are starting daily practice only, please remember and also do at least 20 minutes or 30 minutes daily. That will help you to get all the benefits. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to Rishi Yoga channel, and also click the bell icon. And also I am requesting you to please share your friends, colleagues and relatives. They will get some benefits to do daily sessions. Namaste.